Hi, I'm Pro Modified driver Melanie Salemi, and I'm currently sitting in my Strange Engineering sponsored 68 Firebird. Today, I'm going to be showcasing the quick release steering wheel hub. This aluminum self-contained piece mates up to a 5-bolt pattern Grant style steering wheel. Some of the really cool features are that it has a master spline for ease of steering wheel alignment. It's SFI certified and weighs less than a pound. It comes standard with a 4130 weld end, but if you're like me and utilize a titanium steering wheel shaft, there is a titanium weld end option available for ease of installation.